Let's look at how to add a property for a customer. At least one property is required for a customer. The property is the address that we service for that customer. It can be the same address as the customer address, which serves as the billing and mailing address, or it can be different. First, let's look at how we add a property after saving a new customer. We've entered the customer's information, and now we're going to save the customer. Then the system will ask if we want to add a property for this customer. We're going to click Yes. Here we can see that the address is automatically filled out with the customer's address, but we can also change it if it is different from the customer address. Now, we need to add the property name. We can add any tags we want, such as has dog, has fence, and so on. Here we enter the address, the tax percentages, and any sizes if we have that information. We can also attach a crew to this property or assign employees. We can add a default item or service. This will automatically appear when we create a visit, estimate, or invoice for the customer. We can also add custom fields here if there is a field that is not listed and we want to record it. We can add property notes here, which are for internal use only. The customer will not be able to see these notes. We can also add an image of the property or anything relevant to this property here. When we're done, we click Save Property. Next, the system will give us these options, which we will cover in another video.